Hello guys, today I will try to speak about something very important. It is a weakness in the beginner's mindset, which is holding a loser. There are some people, and this is what makes them fail into trading or investing. It's because they are not aware about how the market works. And your enemy is yourself. It means this kind of mindset, which is based on hope, okay, and gambling. It means you in your mind there is no a plan for anything. You just want to be rich or making money, but you are doing the opposite. Okay? If you continue to do the opposite of what the people are doing who are winners, you will get the same results. Now, today I will speak about holding for losers. Why I say to you this? First, because before, when I was a beginner, I did these things. That's why I talk about them. But later, when I correct my mistakes and I will never do these mistakes again, other people who contact me show me what they did. And unfortunately, a lot of people, they lose a colossal money. I'm telling you, it's not when you lose $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000 in a trade. I have one guy who lost $250,000 in one trade. He bought a stock and he held it forever. And the stock is going down. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Until this company is bankrupt. Now, and then he heard the news one time because he forgot that he invests in a stock. When he opened his account, he doesn't find nothing. He finds zero stock because he bought this one only. And he put 250,000. Do you understand what does mean 250,000? It is all his retirement money that he lost in a trade. That's why you should never leave stocks without checking at them. Now, if you are an investor, you should look at least 3 months. Okay? Why I say 3 months? Because it is the earning time. So right now, if you are, for example, either you are an investor or you are a trader, but you are doing like an investor, because you don't have this idea, this difference idea in your mind. Okay? So I will explain to you. Okay? Just how this thing work. Just if you are, let's say, if you are an investor, you should look at these things very seriously. Okay? You are an investor. Now, let's say you bought a stock $95, 60 cents. Okay? So, what you should do, I will just make like this. Okay. Now, when you buy a stock, each 3 months, let's say March 31st. So after January, February, March, April, May, June. This is June. Okay? And then July, August, September, and this is December, and it's the same. Okay, and March, this is a new year. March, June, September, and here is December. Okay, now why I put this 3 months? So 3 months, if you are an investor, why I put this information? Because we have what we call the earning news. What does a company earn compared to last year in this quarter? Okay, now let's say I give you two kinds of stocks. So I will give you the good one, and then I will give you the bad one. So this is a stock. Okay, now you begin with 95.60. Let's say 2nd of January you bought this, just the beginning of the year. Now you see each quarter, if your company is going up through the year, the next year, it means that these points here, okay, showed you if your company is going up, yes or no. Now, since the company is going up in terms of price, don't see the fundamentals only, because if the earning news, if this company is making more money through the year and the next year, the other year, it means that we have a price appreciation. It means that this company is making money, and when it makes money, a lot of mutual funds, they come and they buy more and more and more. That's why the company is doing good. Now this is a successful stock, a successful investment, because you bought at 95. After 1 year and a half, let's say it is $225, so you are making money. And if it has dividend, they will give you a dividend also. If you have, for example, dividend, they will give you dividend also. So you are making a good investment. Okay? So checking each 3 months just shows you where is your company going. Now, this is a good thing. Okay? Let's now give you the opposite. You bought a stock here, okay, at 95, and then like this. Now, let's say it is $25.16. Now, as you can see here, okay, as you can see that your stock, each earning news, it seems that it is going down, and the price from 95 is going down each time, going down. See, going down. Even if it goes up a little bit, it doesn't matter, but you should see the trend. This is a downtrend. Okay? So if you continue like this, what does it mean for you? 95 to 25, you have lost a lot of money. Okay? So this, you understand that this investment that you did is a bad investment. So you should see what are your options there, and how do you invest? How do you plan for your investment? And this is all the things should be. You should either have planned this, or you should train yourself. Okay? Now, by these two scenario that I give you, almost all the stocks will do the same. It means after the years, you will see that this stock either it is going up or going down. If it is staying the same in the same trending into a range, it doesn't go up a lot, it doesn't go down a lot. If it has a dividend, it's okay. Okay, and this is the third thing. But this, it can happen. But most of the stocks, they are either going up or going down through the years. Now, here is the third one, which is trading into a range. I will show you. Now, trading into a range is, let's say here, so let's take those. Now, let's say you bought the stock at 95.16 cents. Just an example, okay? This is where you bought. This is the line where you bought. And I say to you, for example, this is the 3 months quarter. As I told you, this is the beginning of January. You bought here in January, 2nd or 3rd, and March. So April, May, June, and then July, August, September, okay, and December, and this is 1 year. Now, and it's the same. M, J, S, and D, and this is another year. Let's say 2017, 2018. Okay. Now, if the stock is trending into a range, what does it mean? It means like this. So, from 95, let's say it goes to 100, and then here it goes to, let's say, 90, and here it's 100. This is called in the trading jargon, or this is trading into a range. Okay? Trading into a range, what does it mean? It means that the stock doesn't make a big move up or a big move down, and you are always having your money. It means your money doesn't go down too much, or you make money too much. So it's just going up, going down, going up, going down. There are some stocks that they do sometimes like this. Now, if this is a stock you have a dividend, it's okay, because the dividend give you extra money through the years, so it's okay. And you, by the way, you can check if you hold investment for the long run. You can apply my scenario on your stocks, and you see yourself, where are you? Okay? So this, it shows you where you are exactly. Are you making money? Yes or no? Because all what we do in the market, either you are an investor, you are a swing trader, you are a day trader. What is our objective? It is just to make money. It doesn't matter what you do. Okay? Even if you are an investor, it doesn't matter. Are you making money through the years? Yes or no? That is the most important thing you should ask yourself. And by the 31st December, it means when we finish the year, you should see the 1st of January, how much money you begin with, and 31st December, when you end the year, and you see, have you made money, yes or no? If you have made money, congratulations. This is a very good job that you have done because of your work. If you break even, it means you are still doing a lot of mistakes. But if you lose money, the mistakes that you do are big, and you need help in order to fix that. Now, help doesn't go with hope. It's not you buy a stock and you hope it goes up. This is not a logical process in doing business. So you should do something in order to fix your problems. Okay? So thank you very much for watching the video. If you have more questions, please comment on these videos or send me a private message. My email is always on the description of this video. Just take the email and send me a message, and I will call you. I will write you back on time. And please subscribe to my channel if you don't. Thank you very much, and see you next video.